In the eastern part of the Indonesian archipelago in the Raja Ampat area lies a beautiful little island called Waigeo. This island has some of the world's largest and most interesting biodiversity. In this video, we will look at some of the dragonflies and damselflies I saw on my visit in December 2025. The scarlet dwarf is one of the world's smallest dragonflies, with a wingspan of only 20 millimeters, 0.79 in. This is a male. The species is found in Southeast Asia to China and Japan, occasionally found south to Australia. The red hunter, or spine-tufted skimmer, is the name of this beautiful, medium-sized damselfly. The species is nature's own fighter, keeping the population of mosquitoes down. The species' Latin name is Orthotrum crisis and is widespread in many Asian countries. Only the male is brightly colored. The female has muted brown colors. The ruler of the air on Waigeo, or the Trum sabina, a merciless hunter. This species specializes in preying on other dragonflies, though it rarely targets its own kind, or the Trum sabina is remarkably widespread, ranging from southern Europe through Africa and the Middle East to Southeast Asia and Australia. The most striking feature of the species is its thorax. It is dark/black, but adorned with very distinct bright yellow or yellow-green longitudinal stripes, hence the scientific name longitudiniculus. The species often sits in shady places compared to many other species that prefer bright sunlight. Here we have the powder blue male of the species, chalky percher or ground skimmer. Diplascodes trivialis. Unlike the previous species, this species loves sun and warmth sunbathing. Because it often sits on the ground, it takes advantage of the heat from the substrate. It is often seen spreading its wings completely to catch the sun's rays. This species has a fascinating behavior, often placing its eggs on vegetation or branches hanging directly above the water, rather than dropping them directly into the water. When the nymphs hatch, they drop into their proper element. One of the most striking features of this species is its iridescent eyes when the dragonfly tilts its head. Its color appears to change from a deep bluish hue to a brilliant metallic green. This is not a change in pigment, but a result of light refracting through the complex structure of its compound eyes. This is the male of the species Neurothemis terminata. The males of this species are highly territorial, often engaging in intense aerial duels to defend their spots. In contrast to the male's strong colors, females are yellow-green, and therefore have the advantage of hiding away in the vegetation, perfectly camouflaged and safe from the male's attacks. This species has a body length of only about 2.5 centimeters. The English name is variable wisp or pinhead damselfly. The Latin is Agrioc nimis femina. The mature males are very brightly colored. They have a bright light green or neon green face and forebody, while the hindbody itself starts out green and ends in a bright orange or red color right at the tip. The older the male gets, the more the forebody is covered in a white, powdery, waxy layer, pruinescence. Thank you for taking the time to watch the short video.